Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss a rank in Power BI DAX. Okay, so to create a rank, obviously what we need a number column, and based on that number column, we can create a rank. And how the rank works, we will see first that, and then we will see how to use the ranking functions in Power BI DAX. Okay, so in Power BI, we have something called a RANKX, and RANK.EQ functions to create or to find the rank of any specific value. So if I come here in case of Excel, okay, let's say I have a numerical column. The column which can be amount column, it can be a quantity column, it can be the number could be for anything. But yes, if you want to create the rank, first we can assign the row number. So how to assign the row numbers? So just sort the data in descending order. The data which I created is already sorted in descending order, and then just assign the row numbers or indexes. And let's say I have these numbers. Okay, fine. Now, how rank works? So rank works in two ways. Let's say if rank is like skipping. Okay, if we use skip in case of Power BI. Okay, so here what happens whenever we create a rank? So highest value will have first rank, second highest value will have second rank, third highest value will have third rank, and this is how ranks are assigned to the values. Okay, if the values are same, then rank will remain same. But here, immediately, if the value changes after the so far, let's say you have a number of same values, so it will assign the same rank for those many values, but row number keeps changing, right? And as a next rank will be a row number. So here we are skipping the ranks, we are not taking the rank numbers continuous, right? Then again, if the value changes, next rank will come in a picture. But again, value remains same, so rank will remain same for those many values. And then row number is equal to rank. So this is how the basic works, or this is what the ranking system works. In case of SQL, if you are using window functions, and if you are familiar with the window functions called rank, okay, so this is the same operation of that, or same working of that rank function. But there is one more function that is called dense rank. So in dense rank, we are not going to skip the rank numbers. Okay, instead we will continue to rank. I will say 1, 2, 3. For first three highest numbers, rank will 1, 2, 3. Okay, then value same, rank will be same. But here in case of dense rank, we are not going to skip the row numbers, those many numbers. Okay, so instead of that, we will use next number as a rank. And then I will say next number as a rank. And here at last, this will be the output of dense rank. Okay, even in this way, it works. So now, how to create a rank? Obviously, ranks are created on the column level. Okay, on the any specific column which has values, numerical values. If I come here, okay, so there is something called Z cell stable. Okay, so let me show you first on this. Okay, and if I go and okay, I don't want this column. Let me remove this. And if I wanted to create the rank based on the sales amount, where is my sales amount? So in case of here, there is a sales column which has amounts. And I would like to generate the rank on the basis of this. So what I can do, I can simply use the rank function. Let's understand how this functions works. Okay, if I say rank is equal to, I'm going to use the only rank function. First the parameter, it says ties, whether your rank should be a dense rank or it should be a skip, right? Meaning the way we have seen. So if I say dense rank, it will use the continuous number. If I say skip, it will use the row numbers. Internally, it perform the all the types, whatever I shown. It will sort the data, it will find the maximum value, and then highest value will have one rank, lowest value will have second rank. This is how it's going to works internally. Even though we will not see any kind of changes with respect to our data will remain same, but yes, ranks will work in that way, the way I explained sometime before on Excel. So if I say a skip rank, okay, tie I defined as a skip. On next line, it says relation. So you have to say here the table expression. You can use any formula to define the table expression, and whatever the number of columns we will specify here, or whatever the table we will specify here, that table will be used for the further parameters. Okay, so if I say here I want sales, but sales of sales, not only the sales amount. Okay, so there is something called sales data. Okay, if I say sales data and I would like to bring the table, selection is must. Okay, so you have to take care for this. Okay, this is what my first column. Second column is something like I would like to do the partition based on the country. So I will say Z sales country. Okay, and this is how it works. Okay, so far I will keep two columns, and this expression is going to return me the table. Okay, that's why this is valid expression. Even you can use any other functions that returns the table. That is fine. Then we have function called order by. Okay, so here in case of only rank function, you need to define these parameters. So order by what? So I will say Z sales. Okay, and this is what Z sales, and I will select the value. So obviously you have to say on which column, whatever the on which value we are going to use, that value you are supposed to pass here in order by. So on that column, okay, ranks will be generated. But how to keep the value? Okay, so by default it is not going to do the sorting operation, but here you need to specify. You have to keep the you have to generate the ranks either in ascending order or either in descending order. So if you select ascending order, lowest number will have one rank. If you set descending order, highest number will have one rank. So I will use descending here. Okay, this is what my order by statement. You can even express the multiple columns in order by. It is fine. Okay, then if is there any blank in your value column? See, this is my column, and if is there any blank, what I need to do? I will say move the blank to the last. Okay, meaning don't consider that at very first place. Then there is something called partition by. Okay, if you do not pass the partition by, it is fine, it will work. Okay, but if you pass the partition by, it will create the partition based on the country. So I will use Z sales country, and you will not be able to use the column other than the columns which are mentioned here. So if you want to use another column, what you need to do is you need to add that column here in the table in the case of relation. Then and then only it is going to work. Okay, and now let me hit the enter button. And now let's see how this works. And this is going to create the ranks for me. Okay, this has created rank. Not sure. Okay, let's go and sort the data in descending order because we have defined it should sort the data. Okay, and you can see that the highest number has a rank called 1. Second highest number has a rank called 2. Right. Then 1400 Okay, there somewhere the value may be same. So we will try to find out that is there any value that is repeating. Okay, so here you can see that 5725 is repeating. So rank is assigned. But yes, you will say that 1 and 2. So this is actually basically ranks are partitioned based on the country. So first what we can do, we can go and we can select any specific country. I will select United States first. Okay, these many countries are there. Out of that, meaning for each of the country, rank will be resetted from 1 based on the values. This is how it works. That's why we will be able to see that. Okay. But here, if I come and if I say United States, okay, at last somewhere there will be a United States. If I select this to see the way I explain the rank, in that way it is working or not. Okay, fine. So this is what my highest amount. Rank is 1. This is what my second highest amount from the US country. So rank is 2. Third highest amount, rank is 3. And rank will keep increasing by 1. Just try to find out somewhere value will be same. Okay, so here you can say that 4900 is the value. So in this case, if you look, rank is 21, rank is 21. So here, if you look, for the same value, rank is same. Even in next case, value is same. Okay, and it might have generated the next rank. But yes, whatever the number of parameters we pass, that matters a lot. Meaning it considering the another parameters also. But yes, the way I said, with the value same, it will keep the rank same. Here we defined various parameters, like all the parameters, right? So partition by and all, okay, like this. So because of this, even order by in descending order, then blank, and then skip. Okay, these parameters are going to affect your rank. Okay, so 61 here, if you come, okay, 4164 has rank 36, 4164 has rank 36. Okay, this is how it works. The same value, same rank. Okay, if I change this to dense now, okay, so rank will be resetted. Okay, and now numbers are going to change. You will see the difference that numbers are changed now, right? So even though the value same, earlier it was keeping, now it is not skipping, or it is not going to skip the rank, meaning the number. Okay, so 23, 24. Okay, somewhere value will be duplicate if you go. Okay, so again here also you can see that for the same value we have same rank, but here it is not going to skip. Instead of for next value, it will use the next immediate number. Okay, this is how ranking is going to work in case of Power BI, and this is the way you can use. But it is must to define this table expression here. Otherwise, you will not be able to specify the, let's say, the column, whatever will be the meaning the partition and order by. Okay, you meaning you will be able to, but if you pass only column here, if I say Z sales data, then you can use only columns from sales, Z sales data. And since we have all the columns coming from the same table, this will not be a problem. Okay, right. But it is coming, let's say it is coming from the different. Okay, it creates the circular reference if we use direct table, right? So this is not valid. If you want to use the direct table, you can say all, and let me say, okay, but I think we need to use only columns. To avoid the circular reference, okay, we need to specify the column. So we cannot use table directly here in case of relationship. Okay, this is what the requirement for the rank function, to use the rank function. So I will say sales data and the column is, let's say, sales. Okay, and here if I use the region, Z sales region, and you have specified partition in country, so again you will get the error. Okay, what kind of error you will just see? What kind of error we will get if we don't have the column? So here it says partition by column country could not be found in ranks relation parameter. So it is must to specify your columns here first, then you can use that. Okay, if I say country, okay, so sales data country, if I add this, it is no matter like that. If you use, it is fine. If you don't use, that is also fine. But the problem is what? That column, whatever the column you are going to use in order by, in case of partition by, that must be here. Okay, so this is how it works in case of rank or in case of ranking function. This is first. There is something called a RANKX, the function which works very similar. Okay, let me remove the filter first from this table instead of creating the new column. So, okay, before writing the expression, I will keep this as a blank. There are filters I applied on the country, so I wanted to remove that filter. If I go here, just click clear all filters. If I clear the filters, okay, it is going to work. Now, same thing I am going to do with the help of RANKX. RANKX is equal to, okay, RANKX is equal to, if I say rank. So you can see there is a function called RANKX, and here you have to specify the tables. Okay, so I will say Z cells is my table. Then here in case of expression, okay, you have to space the, meaning write the expression here. Okay, let's say, meaning on which column you have to create the rank. That is what your expression. So I will say Z cells of cells. This is what my expression. Okay. Then here value parameter, always skip that parameter. Don't specify until and unless you need a rank for specific value from that column. So I will show that how that is going to work if we specify the value. So if I say descending order, it is fine. It is going to sort the data in descending order. And here we have to just specify whether the rank is in days format or skip format. So accordingly, it will create the rank. So RANKX is a very sorted function. Okay, but okay, fine. So here I defined rank KX. Okay, and rank, you will feel that both the functions have the same rank, right? But here we have done some partition by using rank function, only rank function. In case of RANKX function, you will not be able to do the partition. You will not be able to do the partition. Okay. Then let's say how to use the RANKX one more. Okay. For any specific value, if you want to rank, if you want to find out the rank, and if you want to return that rank for all the rows, this RANKX is possible. In case of value parameter, okay, if I add, so there is something called a value. If I say 22638, which is my highest value from sale. Okay. So now what it is going to do? Okay, it is going to return me the first rank for entire column. You will be able to see that, meaning by using RANKX functions, we will be able to find out rank for any specific value. Okay, I don't want this rank. Okay, if you see there is only one value in the rank function. This is not possible in case of only rank function. Okay, so let me define something called, let me use the value called 10,500. 10,000 500. If I use this value and if I hit the enter button, whatever will be the rank for the value of 10,500, that rank will be returned. So if you come here, okay, on the ranking side, so you can see that there is a rank called 5 and only one rank will be returned. So for a specific value, you will be able to find out the rank by using RANKX. Yes, that is the beauty of RANKX. But if you want the same result, okay, you don't want to use the RANKX for this purpose, it is fine. Just remove the rank, the value from RANKX function, and it will generate the rank based on the value. It is not going to do the partition, okay? But if you want to do the partition, you are supposed to go for rank function. There is one more function which is called rank.EQ. So that function is going to help us to find out the rank based on the value. The way we specified value here, there we need to pass the value first. Okay, for which value you have to find out the rank. So let's see how this is going to work now. Now I'm going to use rank.EQ. Okay, this is what my function name. So I will say rank.EQ, rank.EQ. Okay, here you have to say value. If I say 10,500 is my value, then what is the column? So column is sales. Z sales data where sales. Okay, this is what my column name. So here you have to say only this much, and you will be able to find out the rank for any specific value by using rank for a value. So you will be able to see 5 as a rank, right? The way we have seen in case of RANKX also. So you can use RANKX to find out the rank of any specific value, or either you can use rank.EQ. But if you want to do the partitioning by any category, you are supposed to go for this one, only rank function, right? And this is where you are supposed to use the RANKX, RANKX and rank.EQ functions based on the requirement, okay? Yes, and that's all about the ranking in Power BI. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe WebJam.